Alrighty guys, today you're going to look on at different equations and you're going to determine if there's one solution, zero solutions, or many solutions. And what I've done is I've already worked through these to see and given you an example of each one. So if there's one solution to the equation, then that is going to be pretty much what you're already used to. So let's just go ahead and work through it. So you use the distributive property. Negative 2 times z is negative 2z. And then negative 2 plus 3 is negative 6. And then you just have minus z here. Okay, then the other side. You just have negative z there, and then negative 4 times z is negative 4z, and negative 4, guys, do not forget that is a negative. You've got to use that, okay? So negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. So then I'm gonna go ahead and combine like terms. I have negative 2z, negative z, so that's negative 3z minus 6 equals, like terms here, negative z, negative 4z is negative 5z minus 8. Now I'm going to add 5z to both sides so I can get my variable on one side. Oops, not x, it's z. Okay, cancel each other out. So now I have 5z minus 3z, and that's 2z minus 6 equals negative 8. I'm going to move the negative 6 by doing the inverse. Now I have 2z equals negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. Divide 2, because I multiplied it, 2. Z equals negative 1. So I do have one solution. Now, the next one I'm going to do is to show you what happens when you have zero solutions. So giving you an example. So I'm going to go ahead and use distributive property here, 3x minus, I have 12/3, so that would be 4, equals 3x plus 5. I'm going to add 4 to get it on the other side. Cancels out. I have 3x equals 3x plus 9, my variables on the other side, negative 3x, negative 3x, cancels, and then that's 0 equals 9, 0 does not equal 9, so there is zero solution to this equation. Okay, then the next one is when you have many or infinite solutions. So let me just show you another example. I have to distribute this negative. I'm going to pretend it's a negative 1 and I have to distribute it. So I have negative 2x, negative 1 times positive 2 is negative 2 minus 1 equals negative x, and then I've got to also have to distribute the negative here as well. Negative x, negative 1 times positive 3 is minus 3, negative 3. I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms. That's negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Negative 2x minus 3. I will go ahead and add my 3 to both sides. Marks out, cancels out, And now, I gotta get my 2x on both sides. Cancels out, cancels out. So now I'm stuck with, this means there's nothing there. 0 equals 0. So then that means that there are many solutions to this equation, not 1 and not 0. Okay, hope that helps.